Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lija and I'm a full-time backpacker exploring this world on a budget. Today, I'm in Busan. From coastal views and sunset rides to street food and colorful neighborhoods, this video is all about experiencing the city in a relaxed way. So if you're planning a trip or looking for ideas on what to do and where to eat, this one's for you. So let's go explore Busan together. Good morning, beautiful people. We made it to Busan after a really tumultuous trip last night. I took us to the wrong train station, but we're here now. And we're enjoying this beautiful weather. The cherry blossoms are in bloom and we're gonna discover this beautiful city together. But first, let's go grab some coffee. We are staying really close to Hyundai Beach. I believe a perfect place to stay if you come to Busan because like all the touristy things are around here. So we're gonna explore this area today. We have tickets to the Sky Capsule right at sunset. If you want to grab those tickets right at sunset, you have to pre-book them like at least a week in advance because they sell out really fast. Normal tickets don't sell out that fast, but the sunset one specifically. On our way to see the skywalk, there's really nice beautiful cafes around here. It's a very nice neighborhood and we're very excited to be here. I cannot believe how beautiful this street is. You guys have to save this if you come here during cherry blossom. It is gorgeous. It's just it's a park, but you can walk along the street and it's full of cherries. I'm so happy right now. My cheeks are hurting for so much smiling. This is a perfect spot. Cheers. So there are two options. You can either take the Sky Capsule from Mipo, which is on the beach, all the way to Changsapo, and take the train back or just walk all the way back to the beach. But we thought it makes more sense to take it from Changsapo to Mipo because that way at night we're already at home. And it was way better this way. If you guys are ever here and want to try the Sky Capsule, sunset is the best time. Book early and try to take it from Changsapo to Mipo. You have to try it. It was really nice. What a perfect ending to a perfect day. Dumplings. These are perfect. He even gave me a tiny purse. These are very good. We stumbled upon a night market. It's getting bad. We're buying everything. It's very cold outside, but we're having honey ice cream because I was craving these honeycombs. They look so nice. Good ice cream. Good morning, beautiful people. We made it to our first stop of the day, Ganchon village. It is really pretty so far, but it was a venture to get here. It takes like an hour and a half and then you have to take a special bus. It was a bit crazy. At one point we didn't have money on our T-money card. We're here and it is beautiful. It is definitely a bit touristy, but very, very nice. So let's explore. Next stop is the fish market, and this is like very interesting so far. It's like the biggest crabs I've seen in my life. This is mind-blowing. Busan seems to be like the heaven of seafood. I love it. Oh. Gusto na. Yun na, filmat. Zero tomato.
Tomato.
Tomato.